Sean and Tammy Durham present 227 Gugeri Road, Herne Hill. Nestled amongst 5.7 acres of luxurious land, this well-maintained 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home features 5 paddocks, a 5.7 metre by 18 metre insulated powered workshop boasting a huge cool room, multiple sheds with extra undercover parking, animal pens, solar panels, multiple rainwater tanks and so much more within minutes to all your necessities. When entering the home, to the right is the large formal lounge room, which has solid wood flooring. Through the arched double doors, you'll come to the formal dining room, which has split system air conditioning, wooden floorboards and an entrance to the kitchen, boasting loads of bench and cupboard space, a sunroof for extra natural light, 5-burner gas cooktop, pantry, large double sink, wall oven with microwave recess above for easy access, huge fridge and freezer recess and a breakfast bar for casual meals. The huge master bedroom has a walk-in robe, a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioner and its own ensuite. Bedrooms 2, 3 and 4 are good sized for the family with built-in robes and ceiling fans. Bedroom 5 is a guest size room which could be used as a games or theatre room. It's air conditioned for comfort and has access to the outdoor. Step outside and you'll be impressed with the massive gabled roof entertainment area with ceiling fans, lighting and a decked fish pond surrounded by tropical plants. Running the length of the house is a 3.5 metre wide colour-bond country-style patio. This overlooks a large, beautifully presented grassed and garden area, and there's so much more. If you're looking for a family home somewhere close to the city for an acreage sea change, you will not see anything better. For more information or a personal viewing, contact Sean on 0411 577 920 or Tammy on 0403 123 925.